Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Welcome back mga friendships. So, I did a little shopping online and it's from my favorite online store. I always buy from there, which is Amazon and WHITEN. So I usually buy from those online store because I find na mas safer siya compared to buying from other online shops, especially yung mga hindi masyadong known na online shops. Basta yeah, mas safer talaga sa Amazon tsaka sa WHITEN kasi may, if ever there's something na mangyayari sa iyong item, they are there talaga to protect both the seller and yung buyers. Unlike from my experience from Shopee, it was a little hard, but whenever I shop from Amazon and WHITEN, I always have the 5-star, at least 5-star talaga no satisfaction. So yeah, I don't really worry whenever I shop at Amazon and WHITEN. So yun nga, I did a little shopping. We are going to do a mini haul today. It's a mini haul kasi hindi naman masyadong marami yung binili ko. Something that I could really use, yung number one talaga na binili ko is something that I could use in filming. So makikita nyo yan in just a little bit. But before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will not be missing out any of my videos. So without further ado, then let's get started. So I know you are already excited to see what I got from WHITEN and Amazon kasi I have a very huge haul from before, especially from WHITEN. But yun nga, before we get started, I just wanted to make a quick disclaimer. I'm showing you these things, but it doesn't mean that I'm bragging what I have, what I bought from Amazon. It is just me sharing to you what I got because may mga tao din na interested sa mga binibili ng ibang tao, like personal me. Like I always say in my video na I like watching haul videos from other people. It's because it gives me an idea on what to buy, where to buy, tapos saan ako makakatipid. So yun yung purpose ng whole video na to, nothing more, nothing less. So let's just keep that in mind. So now that we cleared the air, then let's get started. Maybe I'll start showing to you what I got from WHITEN. Yeah, because I love WHITEN. So now that I am here in Japan, I am struggling to find a moisturizer or a skincare product that will work for me. Yeah, I know it's really hard. I don't know what's with I always mention this in my video that most of the skincare products that are available here really made my skin very congested. So ayun, that is so sad. Sabi pa naman nila na maraming mga gandang skincare product dito sa Japan, but I don't know, hindi talaga siya hiyang sa akin. So that's why I went to shop at WHITEN kasi I wanted to buy skincare that is trusted na talaga. So I think I missed the other one. Wait lang. So friends, the first one that I really wanted to buy from WHITEN is my all-time favorite moisturizer. If you watch my video, you already know what is my all-time favorite moisturizer. But for those who do not know, this is my all-time favorite moisturizer. I've been using this for a very long time, like maybe 9 or 10 years. basta matagal-tagal na, and this never fails me. So the one that I'm talking about is this one from REBOND. Yeah, this one, I really love this one. There's an Ake. I usually get this an Ake one. They also have the snail. Remember nyo ba yung time na yung kasagsagan talaga nung mga snail cream, ganyan, sa Korea? Very, very popular, but although I like snail cream, but I like this one better, the Ake one, which they say is a synthetic venom. I don't know. But yeah, at first it scares me kasi, di ba, venom, yung parang venom, nakakaano siya, paralyze ng body. Pero hindi yan, synthetic lang. This is for whitening and wrinkle care. So, sabi sa Korea, nung very, very popular pa to na this is a very, very good anti-aging. So, I really like this one, guys, kasi it doesn't make my skin congested. It did not give me any pimples or whatsoever. It made my skin look so beautiful. This is a whitening wrinkle care, but this is really effective on the wrinkle part. Pero it's a whitening, I don't know. I did not see any whitening. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's just, basta, although hindi ako nakakita ng whitening na effect talaga. Kasi I am, anong tawag niyan? Naturally fair skin naman. So, hindi ko masyadong masay sa whitening aspect nito. But this is very, very effective in preventing wrinkles. Ayan. I got 2 of this. I forgot the price, but I will just have the prices, I think, sa screen na lang when I edit this video. So this one from Ariani. I really like this one, my all-time favorite. Next one that I got is this one. Since yung marami akong ginagamit na mga skincare products na trinay dito recently sa Japan, and it really made my skin super crazy. So at the moment, I have a lot of congestions here, whiteheads, blackheads, and pores going on. Grabe, bongga yung pores natin. So I decided to get something that will help with those problems. And for sure, I don't know, I'm a little scared, but not that scared because para sa akin, tested na talaga yung mga Korean products. Whenever I use Korean skincare products, hindi siya kagaya ng Japanese na skincare na nagkakaproblema. So, I'm not that scared in trying this one. So, the one that I'm talking about is this one. Anong tawag nito? By Me. Is it Pokken? Some by Me. It is their AHA, BHA, PHA 30 Days Miracle Toner. Ayan, real tea tree. Yan, eto. I got the toner and I also got the Miracle Cream. I also forgot the price of this one, so I will be posting all the prices in the screen on this one because I forgot. And I'm planning to do a review on this one. Hopefully, mag-work siya sa akin. I am so hopeful on this one. So, yeah, some by me, AHA, BHA, PHA 30 Days Miracle Toner, and Miracle Cream. So the next one that I got from WHITEN is this one from Manyo brand. Yeah. It is their Galactomy Niacin Essence. So, ayan. This is so popular now in Korea. Galactomy Niacin Essence. This is more trending now compared to the snail cream, I guess. Unlike before, nung 2005 or something, very popular talaga yung snail cream. Pero now, it is the Galactomy and Niacin products. This is comparable to SK2, but SK2 is very, very expensive, guys. Yeah, so, oh my God, yung shelf life pala nito is 6 months lang. So, you need to finish one of this by 6 months, but I don't know how many ml is this one. I cannot read Korea. I cannot find how many ml, but yeah, baka later na. So I got 2 of this from Manyo Galactomy Niacin Essence. Ayan. So binigyan din nila ako ng samples ng, I don't know what is this one, cleansing oil dust away. Cleansing oil dust away. I don't know what does it mean. Cleansing oil dust away. Kita niyo ba? Basta, ano ba to? Cleansing oil dust away. Ang dami. Mga 10 yata. They gave me 10. Usually, if you buy from Korean stores, they always give you samples. Before, I always get face mask samples. But on this one, I did not get any samples. Saan lang? Dito, from Manyo. So, I don't know. This is weird. Cleansing oil dust away. From the brand TP. So the next one is this one from Secret Key. So I have already tried moisturizer or other products from Secret Key. Yung nail cream nila, yung Sinake din nila. I also tried one, their serum, na-try ko na din yun. And now I will be trying their Secret Key Starting Treatment Eye Cream Rose Edition. And this one has galactomyce content. Yeah, merong galacto pa rin. Kagaya nito guys, may galactomyce content. So yun nga, like I've said, trending talaga yung galactomy nowadays sa Korea because it helps with, I think, pores, texture sa skin. Yeah, so I'm pretty much excited to try this one because I really been wanting to use a nice ice cream. Eye cream. Ano ba yan? Ice cream na. Oh my God. Kasi meron akong ice cream na binili doon. Meron kami binili na ice cream ni Rookie. Hindi ko pa nakain. Kaya yun pala. Niisip ko na yung ice cream. Eye cream from Secret Key. So I'm pretty much excited kasi the one that I'm using right now is yung, I forgot the brand. Pero dito, okay naman siya. But it's not that okay. And I'm excited to try this one. So before I go to the items that I got from Amazon, I just wanted to do this first. So I saw a lot of ads from my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube on this one. So that's why binili ko siya. And the one that I'm talking about is this one from DHC. Ayan, ang laki-laki ng box. From DHC online. So the one that I got from there is this one. Ito lang yung talagang binili ko guys. Yan. Pero ito yung laman niya. I don't know. It's so big. But this one is a retinol cream ba to? Essence pala. Retinol. DHC Retinol A Essence. I'm so intrigued in using this one. I am so into retinol because of my wrinkle issues. When I got here, galing sa Pilipinas, grabe yung eye wrinkle ko dito. I don't know, maybe it's because of the weather, the change of weather. So, I'm so intrigued. Kasi grabe yung commercial nito sa... Nakikita ko siya lagi sa aking Facebook, sa aking Instagram, pati na din sa aking YouTube. So, matry nga. Why not? Coconut. Meron kasi silang campaign ngayon. So, mura lang siya. Original price is, I forgot, really. Pero medyo mahal. But since there is a campaign, so yun lang. This is only 1,100 yen. So, this is the one. This is the one. Ito pala yung laman niya. Ang liliit niya. If I'm going to compare this on my face, diba, ang liliit niya. I don't know how many grams is this one. 5 grams. So, each of this is 5 grams. But, since this is an essence, so, konti lang naman yung magagamit mo. So, I'm also excited to try this one from DHC. Ang liit. Diba? Ang liit. 5 grams each. So, 15 grams. 1,100 yen. So, meron ding, mga samples na pinadala si DHC. Ayan, oh. Yan yung mga samples na, ano ba to? Lotion, medicated cream, medicated lotion, super collagen supreme, tapos, yung olive virgin oil nila, tapos yung deep cleansing, very popular na deep cleansing oil, para matry mo naman. And then, it also comes with yung magazine nila. I already got, parang every month sila nagsisend ng ganito, yung magazine nila. So now, let's move on to the Amazon items that I got. Which one I'm gonna do, or I'm gonna show you first. Ano ba? Eto na lang. So, I don't know if this is a good one, but I saw this one from Amazon. And eto siya guys. Tiding! This is from Beauty Glaze. I don't know. I haven't heard from this brand before. But this is their pressed glitter. Ayan. Yung pack niya. And this is from made in PRC, obviously. So, ito yung itsura niya. And, wow. Eto yung laman niya. So, these are all pressed glitters. And then, I don't know if there are good, pero kind of interesting. Diba? All the colors. Maraming colors. Ayan, oh. Oh, can you see it? Pressed glitter. Ayan. Medyo okay naman para hindi messy kasi I already have glitters pero hindi siya nakapress, so that's why I wanted to get something like this. Sana may may lighter na gold tsaka yung may weird. Basta eto, mura lang to. I will have the price list on the screen. Then the next one that I got is an eyelash. Yeah, I saw this one. This is parang maganda kasi siya sa and then wala na akong eyelashes dito, naubos na, so I wanted to try this one. Medyo okay naman. Ito yung itsura niya, lashes. So of course I will have the price on the screen. And the next one is another lash. This is a Mink Lash Creative Lashes Collection. Ito lang, number 01. So, I'm gonna show you the inside. Mink lash siya. Maganda and it's very thick. My God, it looks so thick. Ayan, parang faux mink na lashes. It's so pretty. But it's so thick, parang double yung nakalagay. I know, it's so thick, bro. Yeah, parang dalawang pieces na pinut together. Ang thick niya. But it looks so pretty. Pero ang thick. Parang dalawang pieces nga na dinikit. Together. But it's only one. So, ayan. I'm pretty much excited to try this one. So, the second to the last, I guess, yeah. Second to the last na to. Malapit na tayo. Kasi yun nga, konti lang to. So, the next one that I got is this one from Nowhere. Ayan. Guess what is this? So, I got something from Newer. My ring light is from Newer, so it's a trusted brand. So the one that I got from Newer is this one. Oh my God, it's heavy. I thought this is going to be like light lang, pero ano to guys, yung light stand ng aking ring light. It's so heavy. Akala ko lang siya, hindi siya mabigat, pero it has a little weight. Ayan, this is from Newer. Balak kong bumili sana sa Pilipinas ng ganito, but I think they have the same price lang. Pero this one looks okay naman. Ano siya? Anong tawag niyan? Oh, Bicorista. Yung durable. Yeah, it looks durable naman. So this one from Newer. I'm excited kasi naghihingalo na ang yung ginamit ko na yung light stand ng aking ring light is yung yung tripod na stand. So happy. Been wanting to have a I don't know if this has wala pala siyang dalang wala siyang dalang anong tawag niyan, bag or something. Ito lang talaga. So I will have the price in the description or in the screen in case you are interested to get this one from Newer. And last but not the least, ito talaga yung rason bakit bumili ako sa Amazon. Gets, diba? Rason, Amazon. So ito yun guys. Yeah, I'm so happy that I got it. Yeah, I'm so happy. So, ito yung box. Ang laki-laki. Grabe. Ang laki-laki niya. Ang laki-laki. So, yung laman nito is my studio light. So, I bought a studio light from Amazon kasi iniwan ko yung umbrella lights ko doon sa Pilipinas because it's kind of heavy and yeah, it's kind of heavy. I don't want to bring it here. Really impressed with how I'm using it right now as my lighting, and it's so beautiful. Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's not that pricey too compared to other brands, and the brand that I got is from Fwenships. I will be inserting a clip on or a picture of how it looks like. So I've been looking for a studio light since I got here, and gusto ko sanang bilihin yung LED light ng newer, but I feel like pag nasira yun, yung one bulb lang, parang mahirapan akong maghanap ng kapalit nun. And also, it's a little pricier compared to this one, yung studio light na ito, yung soft box na studio light. So, that's why I decided to get this one from WHITEN. Kasi it is more convenient. If yung hindi na pwede yung bulb, I could change the bulbs. Unlike from LED, iniisip ko pag LED baka yun nga, may mga problems, because I've read a lot of reviews before I purchased this one. So, I end up buying this one. So far, so good. So, I think that's it for today's video. Natapos na din tayo sa ating haul. Ayan, I'm so happy with all the purchase that I got. It's something that I really wanted to use and I could really use. Yeah, yung goal ko for this 2020 is that I wanted to buy something that I could really use, not yung yung matatago lang siya sa sulok at hindi ko na siya magagamit. So, ayun, hopefully natin yan, ma-push natin yan. Ayun, so I hope you've enjoyed watching today's video, and if you have any questions regarding the products that I got, maybe you could ask or leave it in the comment section down below. And also, I will have the Amazon link written in the description box as well as the WHITEN website. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. I always enjoy or sharing haul videos because I know somebody out there also is searching for a product or something to buy na para hindi na sila mahirapan pumili, and hindi na sila mahirapan kung saan nila bibilhin. So ayun, that is our goal in this video, and hopefully I delivered that. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. Thank you so much, friends, for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!